traces with the light not flickering, which is not turning on. First of all, it will be like this. So you press the middle button there to release the keyboard. After that, you get your little finger in between the screen and the plastic. So you put it all the way around. Using a nail, you separate the screen like so, all the way. Every nail, all the way. I know you might have small nails, all the way, until you release it like so. Once you release it like so, you're supposed to separate the battery and the board. So basically, you get a small sharp object, you press where the battery is there, like so, gently squeeze the battery out, like so, without damaging anything. So you wiggle it out, like so, then it's done. Once it's done there, make sure you have not damaged anything, so that then you replace the pin there, and after that you close it like so. Make sure you cut it the right way, which I have done, and then you close it like so, and close it, you clip it back, it will clip, and it will finally clip there. Make sure you don't force anything, but you do it gently. Yeah. Then you switch it back on like so. Yeah. Then after holding it back, it's now back online. This is how you solve the problem.